gas supply.
Reading 5,000 on the main.
Bailout secure and tested.
Bell divers, confirm seal.
Seal confirmed, topside.
Roger that. Prepare for lowering. Pressure stabilizing now. We are ready for deployment. Surface approaching 40 meters.
Alright, I've got the strap secured on my side.
Copy that. Moving to the forward attachment point now.
There it is. We have visual contact.
Roger that. Engaging the lift mechanism now. We got it!
Absolutely incredible. Look at that.
Tension the line slowly. Watch the starboard wing.
Roger that. Taking the load now.
Hold position. Hold position. We are secure. Start the lift. Hold it steady. Watch the starboard side. Okay, easy down, easy down. It's set. Secure the lines. Keep it coming straight back. Easy now. Watch the wingtip clearance. Almost there. A bit more to the left. All right, easy now. Hook them up. Let's get this bird airborne.
Hooks are secure, boss. Ready for the lift.
The barnacle accumulation is roughly 2 to 3 centimeters thick here. We'll need aggressive methods to clear the rust streaks before restoration.
Wow, that was tough. Look at all the dirt inside.
The extent of the corrosion here necessitates a full panel replacement. We've lost all the original gauges and the Cyrillic labels are barely legible.
Watch the left side, it's catching.
Okay, applying more tension now. It's coming.
Check the alignment on the dolly. We need to confirm the separation line is clear before we start the pneumatic tools.
The corrosion here is too extensive. See the marine deposits on the turbine blades?
Yeah, it's beyond economical repair. We have to go with a replacement plan.
Clear on the left. Watch the turbine housing. Bring it up steady. Watch the cables.
Structural integrity is good, however, we have heavy corrosion in the attachment socket. This area requires immediate surface treatment before reinstallation.
The pitting damage here is severe, with multiple perforations roughly 2 to 3 millimeters across.
Marking this area of corrosion damage, 15 centimeter diameter. Photographing now for the repair plan documentation. Total of 12 areas identified so far.
Watch the left side, clear the edge. Got it, looks good. Keep it coming up slow.
We'll need to address the corrosion on the main tubes here. The welded joints look solid, thankfully.
Pressure holding steady at 3,000. Initiating cycle 1.
Roger that. Fluid dynamics look nominal.
Pull up. Radio check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you read? Over.